This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 14 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, in which the scale and arpeggio of D major are extended to 2 octaves. The worksheet explains the third register and how this is obtained and provides some important exercises. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. You have already learned that you can produce a range of higher notes, the second or clarion register, using bottom register fingerings with the addition of opening the speaker hole with the left thumb key. A third register can be obtained by opening a second speaker hole. This is simply a matter of raising the index finger of the left hand. The second register is shorter than the bottom register. Here's the bottom register. Second register. And the third register is shorter still. The clarinet does go considerably higher, but the fingerings become increasingly complex and players are faced with many options, so this is something to explore at a later stage. Top C sharp is derived from the fingering for bottom A and second register E. Top D is therefore derived from the fingering for bottom B flat and second register F. However, notes from D upwards can be a little flat on most modern instruments, so it's necessary to raise the pitch by venting with the A flat, E flat key. This makes coordination more challenging when moving into the third register. Exercise 20 will help with developing technique in this area. Here is the scale of D major for 2 octaves. And here's the arpeggio of D major for 2 octaves. Practice plan 14 needs to be completed meticulously. Be sure you have fully mastered the top of the D major scale and arpeggio before you move on to lesson 15.